this is not going so well. Hey guys, welcome back to my video, or if you're new, my name is Vanessa, and I like to do videos, beauty and fashion related. So today's look is going to be a Valentine's Day-ish look with, you know, makeup, hair, and outfit. It is fucking hot in here. But yeah, so I've got all my goodies ready to do a beat face. My brows are somewhat on. I will tweak them a little. I went out, got my nails done, so yeah, got my nails on with some black. So, I do have a new outfit that I got from Princess Polly, so let's get straight into this face. So without further ado, we're going to get straight into the eyes. I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm just waiting for the new Amrezy Anastasia collaboration with, I'm just waiting for the Anastasia, Beverly Hills and Amrezy collaboration. Should have arrived at my work, so hopefully next week I'll get onto that. So I'm going to be working with these colors. I am looking for these two. It's going to be based on like my outfit as well. It's kind of like a grungy, that's what I'm going for, grungy type of look. So we're going to start with the eyes. I'm going to use concealer. So what do you guys prefer? Do you prefer voiceover while applying, or do you prefer, like, you know, people, you know, talking? Give me the down low. I just realized I should have moisturized. Oh, well, too late. We're just going to do the transition color. I'm going to do burnt orange. So we're gonna put concealer. I have never done a cut crease. Hope for the best. Okay, cut crease is supposed to be that's terrible. So just get a little flat brush. I'm just using tempera. I don't know, should I go with Love Letter or Red Ochre? Just with that burnt orange from before, we're just gonna feather out the edges. Way too hard. Now, if you find that it's kind of faded off, just go back into that red ochre color and just pack it on again. I'm gonna add a bit of sparkle. So I'm using this Mecha Max, the Illuminati in Spotlight. This is best applied, I found, because I've used it here before, is with so. So the highlight, I'm going to use the Vermeer color, that color just there. Might add, and then I'm going to add a little bit in the corner of my eye. Using the Lash Accelerator by Rimmel. Nothing spectacular. So I'm just gonna use some strobe cream, yeah, by MAC. Mix it in with some primer, just Hangover Too Faced primer. Just want to finish this as well. Foundation, I'm using 2 because I like to mix 2. So I'm going to use the Studio Fix Fluid in the color NC20 and the NARS Sheer Glow foundation in the color Barcelona. Concealer because I want it, you know. Just gonna use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NW20. It's goodie, but it's an oldie, so 1 pop there. Always go a little higher when you start off, because then you can just blend it out. Make sure you get the perimeters of your face. And then if you want to, you know, go the extra mile, just and I'm just using the Kat Von D powder. Yeah, I know there's a whole bunch of controversial stuff that, you know, something about not wanting to vaccinate her kid, yada yada yada. That's why people have stopped buying her products. She's selling her shares or whatever, something like that. But you know what? She can do whatever. It's her kid. She's the parent. Nobody else has any right to tell her what she should and shouldn't do. So, I mean, how many mums like it when somebody tells you that you're doing something wrong? or you should be doing, or treating your kids a specific way because they did it one way. Yeah, I vaccinated my kids, you know, whatever. But it's every parent's decision if they choose to do it or not. Too Faced Tan Soleil, Tan Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer, but I will buy. Use an oldie Pink Swoon. Ooh, maybe it's not very pigmented. I'm not a big on blush. So we're gonna finish under the eyes. I'm just going to add the color Burnt Orange. I'm just gonna add it under the eye. Loving that. And we're just gonna get the red ochre color, that with a little defined pencil brush. Some setting spray. I use the Mega Max Life Proof Setting Spray. It's my second bottle. That stuff is la bomb. Whisper of Guilt, I mean, it's been around for a bit, but I'll tell you, I love. If you want something a little bit more, then use Ofra Rodeo Dry. That is also bomb. I'm just going to use the Jordana Coco Loco, so it's a dark color, which is fine. Just going to use Velvet Teddy. I mean, who doesn't know that? Lastly, I'm just getting some NYX Lingerie Clear Gloss. It's not so clear because I've been mixing it. So it's, oh, whatever. That's the makeup. Now we're gonna do hair. Usually I do nothing with my hair, but lately I've been, you know, playing with it. I really want to straighten it, so I think I might just do that. So. Gonna use some dry shampoo defrizz just on top, just because my natural oils are coming a little bit through. I am using natural light, so I mean I do have a little bit of bumpiness, but like I said, it just feels fine. But this is why we do this. So that's my hair. I'll just zoom just a tad out. It's my hair straight. Let's get on to the outfit. I got two things from Princess Polly. Tried them on yesterday. Yeah, so let's do it. This is the top that I got from Princess Polly. No joke, I got the top and these really cute pants, which are very, very snug. Just gonna lose that, you know, extra kilo or two. For like $60 odd because I had like a 15% discount. So for a full outfit, $60 odd, can't go wrong. So I'm just gonna stand back so you can see. So that's, I just got some like little heels on. They're from Windsor Smith. I mean, like, living for these pants. So yeah, I'm just wearing like a Calvin Klein like bralette thingamajig underneath. Nothing special. So what do you guys, so what do you think? Yay or nay? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like seeing my face and whatnot, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified when I upload, hit that bell. You know what to do. And stay tuned for another video after this one because I am uploading. Yes, I can see. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.